Die friends. It's Steve AI from the mind of Steve Depoe, Realtor with the Rose Realty Team. Today's Texas Real Estate Answers topic: why pre-inspection may save you thousands. What if I told you that a $600 decision made before you list your home could save you $4,000 or more when you sell? That's the power of a seller's pre-inspection. I'm Steve Depoe, Realtor with the Rose Realty Team here in Denton County, Texas. And today, I want to walk you through one of the most underrated tools for sellers in our market: getting your home inspected before the buyer does. Now, you might be thinking, why would I do that? Isn't it the buyer's responsibility? Well, technically, yes. But here's the thing. When the buyer's inspector finds issues you didn't know about, especially late in the game, it puts you on the defensive and reactive. They might demand repairs, ask for a price reduction, or even back out altogether. And it can all happen at the worst possible time, right before closing. Getting a pre-inspection shifts that dynamic. Instead of reacting, you're in control from the beginning. You know what's coming. You can fix what makes sense to fix, disclose the rest up front, and price your home accordingly. It's being proactive versus reactive. And we'd like our clients to err on the proactive side. And that confidence, it shows. Buyers can sense when a home's been well prepared. Let's talk about 3 big ways a pre-inspection can protect your wallet here in Denton County. First, it minimizes renegotiation. We've seen sellers lose thousands just because a buyer's inspection uncovered minor issues. Leaky faucets, outdated GFCI outlets, or HVAC service lapses. Buyers will often ask for more than the repair actually costs, just to give themselves cushion and a sense of protection. But if you've already taken care of those items or disclosed them with estimates, it removes their leverage. No surprises, no panic, just clean, confident negotiations. Second, it can speed up the sale. In today's Denton County market, buyers are more cautious than ever. A pre-inspected home tells them you've done your homework. You're serious. That level of transparency builds trust and can lead to faster offers. Sometimes it even attracts multiple offers from buyers who appreciate the upfront honesty and are ready to move quickly. Third, it helps you decide where to invest. If your inspector finds something structural, like foundation movement or roof wear, you can decide whether to fix it, credit the buyer, or adjust your price. And you get to do it on your terms, with time to compare quotes and plan. No last-minute stress. No overpriced emergency repairs. Now, we're not saying every seller needs to make their home flawless, but we are saying knowledge is power. A pre-inspection gives you clarity. And when we market a pre-inspected home, we highlight it because buyers love knowing what they're walking into. It's a trust builder, and it often tips the scale in your favor. In fact, we offer guidance to all our clients on how to use a pre-inspection strategically. From finding a reputable inspector to deciding what to repair, what to leave, and how to present it, we create a plan that protects your bottom line. So if you're thinking about selling and you want to do it the smart way, don't skip the pre-inspection. It's a small investment that can save you big money, shorten your time on the market, and reduce stress every step of the way. I'm Steve Depoe with the Rose Realty Team, helping sellers throughout Denton County make informed, proactive, confident decisions. If you want to talk about your home, your options, or the smartest way to prep for the market, give me a call. Let's make your sale a smooth success. Wait 2 seconds for our contact information.